Turkish coming in. Not Turkish. We've got Turkey Airlines here. Turkey Airlines. Fun fact, Turkey flies that plane. Did you know that? Turkey flies that.
So, I think what you should do is you can try and get approved and variated.
Yeah, I'll get approved.
I think we should do this at
Verified.
least like once a month.
Huh?
Someone to come to the airport.
Well, yeah, I'm gonna do it twice a month. One at the beginning and one at the end.
So that means to the beginning of the next one. So we'll be going to the airport within a week's space at one point.
I'll probably do another one. I'll try and
We'll do another one like maybe and like soon.
Alright guys, here is something that people will not just seizure warning. Here we go, Dutch Pride coming on here. Here we go, Dutch Pride coming. Here we go, Dutch Pride coming on. Go. Any second now.
Here it goes.
Alright, here goes the KLM. Also, it looks like there's a bit of decay on the tail on the camera, but there is no decay. The camera's just filming. There is no decay or rust on the camera. Hello, Henry, bro. Let's get a photo. Yeah, you're in the shot. I might have to move forwards.
Vueling going next. After Barcelona.
Vueling going next. And there's a Ryanair over there. Alright, so back to the Vueling. Vueling. Don't judge me. Vueling. This is EC-Mound, Spanish registered, I believe.
Move! On the roll next, an A321-200.
A321-200 here, if you didn't hear.
There's the red.
This sounds lovely. Vueling reminds me of when I arrived in Ibiza. I saw a Vueling. It was the middle of the night. In Madrid. Don't want to get copyrighted by Taylor Swift there. Massive black cloud there if you can't see, so might have to go soon.
And I'll find a plane.
What time is it now?
It's only 1:49.
So maybe in the next 10 minutes, yeah, we're going to head back.
Okay.
Lingus coming in from Dublin there. And
There is a naked jet too somewhere over there.
no, it's not. It's not there. It's going to come in.
Oh, there is an Aer Lingus there.
There you are.
Aer Lingus landing there.
Oh, we got Turkish to Istanbul. So we'll find a departure that we'll end on, and then we'll come back to your trip.
All right, there is a naked jet 2 coming in, and
GHLYJ.
there is this Turkish there. There. I'm on a tripod. There's the jet 2 with only its undies on. I'm sorry about how bad it looks. I'm not on a professional camera and I'm in full zoom.
Wait, is this for this? Or your tripod?
That's for them.
Alright, oh lord. Planes up next. Over there we have an Air Transat A321 Neo.
Oh, EasyJet.
EasyJet there. EasyJet over there.
A319.
Who's, I think the EasyJet is going on before. Let's try and get a wave. Someone in the cockpit there.
Here you go, EasyJet. Go on, off you go. I've changed the camera back. Go on. You can hear it. Have a listen to this sound.
Okay, here we go. Listen to this. It sounds brilliant. There we go, I just lifted up the tripod.
What is that about?
That
Rocket.
wasn't...
It's a Star Wars rocket. I'd never realised it. I caught that on camera as well. An A321neo. How? Since when did they do that?
I think that was I'm not sure what they're called.
Yeah, it's a rocket. Try and get away.
Ah. Wave! Oh, this does not sound healthy. This is Canadian G-Curry. This is G-Curry, the Canadian A321. The Canadian registered G-Curry A321 200 Neo thingy.
That did not sound like a very healthy.
Oh, I love it when they wave. It's really sweet.
I agree. Fly Pegasus and a cup of tea.
Please wave.
In a plastic cup. Oh, they don't burn my tongue. Tea review. The tea is quite a nice tea. Well, I don't use sugar, I use honey instead, so it's quite nice with honey.
Anything is nice with honey.
Here, have a sip. Henry Panning here. Fly Pigs is moving. Pegasus. Oh dear, it's getting windy. It's recording. This is an A320-200 Neo, probably to Istanbul. Well, we've got the extra long EasyJet coming in. Look how long that EasyJet looks.
That one is very easy.
It's an A321, so that's why it'll...
Right, I just said that long is very easy.
Here it goes. So, my panning. Okay, hang on. I'm not ready. I'm not ready.
Did you get me on camera?
No. I saw like a tiny brief shot of you, but it didn't really get... I couldn't really see you. I wouldn't be able to make out it's you. It looked like someone running across the camera. So running along the bottom of your screens then was Stormtroop 2. You can barely see him there. How good? Yeah, I'm just testing myself here. Down there are the keys. Oh, do you want to do that? Come on, Pegasus. Oh, here it goes. Right, and
Don't mess with that.
all right, Tui up next. This is GUKV as
GTUKV 27378.
if you heard that, just to clarify, if you didn't hear him, it is 2787 G-TUKB. Coming up next. Sounds like the plane is turning, like the plane's engines are turning off. And then I think there is, security vehicles there. Is there a bomb threat or something? I'll have to record. Alright, here we go. I think that thing there is gonna chase the plane. Never mind, it isn't. Okay, we should leave soon then. I can't see my battery. I've got 67% and it's hot. And it's 31. I think we should leave soon.
I need to be quicker. This needs to be a very swift move. Quick, change the camera. Battery. Quick camera to battery change. Right, where did I put it?
One thing so well, I really want to show the house.
Perfect. Oh, I bought
Henry's house so is on the way back, so we'll have to drop him at his house. But we need to. Well, I think we should stay here because we'll hardly ever get to come here.
Right, boom.
So keep it.
Right, quick.